So today, True Lovers, we are doing a review at Naho's Kitchen. So first we have the... What type of chicken is this?
Garlic chicken.
The garlic chicken? The garlic chicken and the pork...
The fried ribs.
Fried ribs? Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you're a gift drink. It's the same one I said to make it. Girl, look at my phone. Thank you.
There you go.
Got some chicken? Okay. Good.
That's really good.
No. There you go. In your mouth. You like it? Woo. Your fruit. You can watch very well, but you're watching from right here. Because you're not holding it for focus. Sit down.
Really good. Kind of spicy.
Sit down. Here. Bye.
Let me see your drink. It looks really pretty. Ooh, what is this called?
Strawberry mango yogurt drink.
Strawberry mango yogurt. That looks delicious. You gotta tell me how that is. This is boba with mango in it.
Yes. Can I be a stable?
Yeah, I connect the tables.
I'm so sorry. Oh, it's fine.
These are the pho.
Marinated pork? Yeah. And pizza? Mm-hmm. Here you go. Thank you. You the oxtail?
Oh, that's ours. We gotta put the table together.
You also got the oxtail, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
No bone marrow for you guys, right? No
Yeah.
bone marrow? I'm so sorry about that.
now you're good.
That is our bone marrow.
That is your bone marrow.
When I thought the bone marrow, you thought the inside? Then you, yeah. It's very cute. Oh, crazy.
Bone marrow.
Baby, stop.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna make room. That's fine. I'm gonna put all this together. I'm gonna use the soup.
Do I still got the fish coming?
Yeah.
Okay.